We're getting near the end of this styles development. So what I've got here is the lower part of the back block, and we need to add some swing here at the side seam. So the way we're going to do that is by going to Advanced, Fullness, and Fullness Online. So over in our user input, it says select the line for fullness. It's at the hem that we want some extra fullness, yes. And the line that we're going to slash to is the yoke design line. The hold line, our centre front, we don't want that to change because our straight grain is always centre back, straight grain parallel to the centre back. And we want to have an extra 3 centimetres fullness at the hem. So I'm putting 3 in there, and then when I'm finished, going OK. So that's my completed shape now. So my pattern, I'm going to save again this shape, and I'm going to save as actually because this is my final shape. So I can start naming this correctly. This will be CC SK O2A back. Change that dash line to an underscore and save. So I'm saving this as a different name from the piece that we originally had. So this is my block, and the green piece is my increased hemline one. So this one, I can delete piece from their work area. This one, I'm going to put piece to menu. So I'm starting to collect my pieces now. I've got my back yoke, I've got my back skirt section, and I've got the skirt waistband. So if I separate them out, we could start adding our seams, notches, annotation, and so forth to these. And then we've just got the front panel to worry about. So the same process that we've used on the back. We'll first of all need to get these as cut darts. So 2 cut darts. Then we'll put our design line in for the yoke. If we need to, we'll adjust the length of the darts, and then we'll separate out the sections by going into create and extract to get separate pieces. Then any sections of the yoke will be combined together, and we'll add the extra fullness to the side seam for the front. The important thing for this style is to remember to keep your intermediate sections so that we have the original parts and we can start from them whenever we need to do the next 3 styles, which are variations. So by that I mean if we keep a copy of this as it is and a copy of this as it is, this one is called CC back, we can see down here. This one back skirt and number 4. So just keeping those 2 pieces as they are, and we can start from those for our next sections. In fact, really we only need to worry about this skirt section because the yoke will be the same for all styles. We'll just be renaming it for each of the different styles. Okay, thank you.